So, gonna check out the inner dial now. I just got done wiring and soldering all the pins, get everything right, because I'm pretty much committed into this now. If it works or if it doesn't, let's hope it works. But we're gonna get ready to just test the inner dial. So see if this is gonna work. I just gotta get the code ready, and then we'll see if we're getting any input from the inner dial. All wired up. Let's check out this dial encoder in the shuttle with the new code and see what we got. So, all right, shuttle says right, but I'm in the center, so let's turn that right. And it snaps back and it says, then we go the other way. So that's a little messed up. But how about the encoder? Let's see. And I'm spinning it clockwise. Now I'm going counterclockwise. That seems to work, so I'll take that one. So it turns out that this 10K resistor was loose and not seated properly. So I just pushed it back in better. Let's see if that fixes it. So here we go. Yes. Wait, hold on, we're not done yet. So that's center. That's left, return to center. Right, return to center. Now, clockwise, spinning the dial. Counterclockwise. Each little increment. 1, 1, 1, 2. Yep. This is exactly what I wanted. So, that's good news. I think I'll try to get the buttons to work, or I get the servo to move with the outer jog. I think getting a servo to move should be the next one. What do you guys think?